Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen. I got candy in my mouth. Hey y'all, welcome back to my old country kitchen. Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen. Where today we're gonna be making some butter cookies, and I got a recipe, and there's only 3 ingredients. I hope you're hungry. Some great value self-rising flour. The recipe calls for all purpose, but I'm going to use self-rising. Powdered sugar, some country crock original spread. You can use regular butter or unsalted butter for this recipe. I'm also crock potting some white beans today. I got some mashed potatoes in the fridge, and all I need is to make some fresh cornbread, and you got yourself a good old meal, a country meal. Well, it looks like Cinnamon's got everything out that I need to make these butter cookies. And the recipe is a cup of butter, melted. Got a cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, but I'm using the self-rising. So I got my powdered sugar and the flour in here, thanks to cinnamon. Okay, let's take that melted butter, just pour it all on in this big old bowl, and we're just going to start mixing. We got the butter, the powdered sugar, and the flour. Oh, we're getting there. Look at that. Ooh, we're mixing. You're supposed to put these in a popping bag, but you can make your own. I've seen it. So I took a Ziploc like bag. If you got some, what is that called? So there's different popping tips you use for cake decorating, and I think I got like 8 shapes. I'm going to use this starry like shape. I don't know if you can see it or not. Now, this is the first time I attempt to use my own homemade popping bag, so I'm just going to go on and put some ingredients in there. Oh, that's really buttery. So here we go. Maybe I should just put a little bit in there and try it out. I have a pan with wax paper. I can close that up. So let me see if we're gonna have a blowout or not. I might have to hold that. Let's see. Oh, sort of coming out. Yeah, you tell it's my first time doing this. Oh, it's just gonna pop out. If you don't hold this right here, ooh, it's just, we're having a blowout here. Oh well, I don't know. Some people, it works for some people. Oh, it just, whoops. No, it didn't work. That's what happens when you try to do things all fancy. I'm going to try to get what I can out of this bag. I mean, I can still get it out of the bag. I made a hole. I can use the corner. They may not be very pretty, but will they taste good? I'll try to salvage these. Make them. I probably should have used my. Uh, yeah, these gonna be too big. Should have used my ice cream scoop. Big. Now let's just pop them in the oven and see how they'll come out. So I got the cookies in the oven, 350 degrees, and we want to cook them. We want to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now while we're waiting on those cookies, I think I know what I did wrong with the. You can see on the left, I used that small star-shaped tip for the popping bag, but the one on the right, see how big that hole is? Maybe I should have used that one to pop out my cookie batter. We're almost there. Don't ever be afraid to experiment with food, recipes or baking or cooking. There's all different ways you can do food. I had some things that didn't come out right, and I had a lot of things that came out better than what I thought. You don't know till you try. Okay, let's try these butter cookies. I know they don't look that pretty, do they? That's okay. Let's go for taste. Ooh, that's still hot. Go with this one. Don't taste real sweet. Tastes more buttery. Maybe that's why I call them butter cookies. It tastes more like biscuits. I'm really hungry. I didn't have breakfast. I just had some water and some sweet tea. But they are good though. Mm. I know they could have been better if I had the right popping tip. Maybe that was, I don't know if that's the problem, or it could have been the recipe. I mean, I used a cup of butter, a cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups of flour, but not one of my best. I'm still trying to figure, do I like this? Is it something I want to make again, or let me try this other one. I mean, But I'm going to bake the rest of them in a little while. Thank y'all for joining me, and we'll see you later.